Hi, my name is Mark, and this is my COMP3005 term project. So I built a database for Sentinel AI, which is basically like a smart home security monitoring system that runs on a Raspberry Pi 5. It uses a YOLO object detection through multiple cameras, right, generating alerts when rules are triggered, and lets security staff review and manage those alerts. So let me walk through the EER diagram. So there are six entities starting at the top left. Camera has camera ID as primary key, plus location, resolution, and YOLO config. Camera connects to zone through monitors relationship, which is end to end. One camera can watch multiple zones, and one zone can be covered by multiple cameras. So zone has zone ID, zone name, and zone codes. Zone also connects to alert rules. To alert rule through app to applies to another end-to-end. Rules can apply to multiple zones, and zones can have multiple rules. Alert rule has rule ID, rule name, rule object type, type condition, and a foreign key to user for when for created. On the bottom row, detection records each YOLO detection. It's linked to camera with one to N relationship. Alert is generated when a detection matches a rule, with foreign keys to both alert rule and detection. And user connects to alert through assign to, the third end to end. Users get assigned to multiple alerts, and alerts can have multiple reviewers. That junction table also stores assigned at, reviewed at, and review notes. Right. All right. So here's a table scheme. You can see 9 tables total. The three junction tables are camera zone, zone rule, and user alerts. And all foreign keys are labeled at the scheme maps directly from the ER diagram. So let me show you the web interface now. Uh, here's the this is Flask app. All database access use raw SQL, so no ORM, and you can see the SQL queries directly in code. So the dashboard also dashboard shows a system overview, so total cameras, zones, detections, alerts, and a table of recent alerts. Right. The first main use case is filtering alerts. This is what security staff members would use to find alerts that get attention. So I'll filter by status, so selecting new, and now I only see unresolved alerts. Right. I can combine filters too. So let me set priority to high. Now I see only high priorities alerts. So these are the ones I need immediate attention. So under the hood, this query joins 4 tables: alert, alert rule, detection, and camera, with where clauses for status and priority. Right now, the second use case, which also covers the end-to-end query and the secondary refinement. So when I click on alert, I get a full detail page. Here. At the top are the alert details, the rules that triggered it, the timestamp, status, and priority. And below that is the detection info: what objects was detected, the confidence score, which camera captured it, and the bounding box. So yeah, and so here is the end-to-end query. So the assign users sections query the user alert. Joshua table joined with user to see how every staff member assigned to this alert. So when they were assigned and the review note. This alert has 2 assigned users and both have left review notes. Then below that is another end-to-end query showing the camera zones, which zones is camera monitors to the camera zone junction table. And right below that is this whole like flow is a secondary refinement. I first filtered alerts on the list page, then clicked into a specific alert for the full picture. And so now let me show you one more example. Under cameras, I'll click on camera one, the front door camera. And if you can see here, it shows the zones that this camera monitors through end-to-end relationship. And below that, the recent detection. And if I go to zones and I click walkway, I can see which camera covers it and which alert rules apply. Both are end-to-end query. So yeah. So to wrap up, the database has six entities, three end-to-end relationships, and the web interface lets you filter out alerts, drill into details, and explore all of the relationship. Everything uses raw SQL with Flask and SQLite. And with that, thank you for watching.